Nidec Leroy-Somer was founded in 1919, and to this day, the company is still registered in Angoulême in southwestern France. It has a total of 10 production sites, with customer and product support being managed by an international network of 80 sales and service centers. These centers are capable of offering 24-hour, uninterrupted worldwide sales support and technical assistance. 1 in every 4 alternators throughout the world is made by Leroy-Somer. Leroy-Somer Electrotechnique Fuzhou Company Limited is an important production base for the Asia-Pacific region and has nearly 34,000 square meters of manufacturing floor space. Leroy-Somer Fuzhou manufactures alternators in accordance with product design, technology standards, and quality control systems imposed by Leroy-Somer France and North America. The Leroy-Somer Fuzhou plant produces both industrial series and power alternators from 10 to 15,000 kilowatts. Heavy investment has been made in large-scale automation for the Fuzhou facility, especially for the range from 10 to 150 kilowatts, where the process is fully automated. The automatic line includes automatic winding, insertion, binding, and testing equipment. All key parameters are checked by the equipment, greatly enhancing production capacity and production efficiency of the plant, but also ensuring product quality and stability. Medium and high voltage alternators are built to suit the exact needs of the end users. Modular configuration, adapted performances, accessories. The most critical process is the manufacturing of high voltage coils, which requires strict quality control. Coil looping, taping, forming, and finishing are done in a hydrostatic environment. In addition to coil manufacturing, the vacuum pressure impregnation process includes several quality checks to ensure winding longevity. Leroy-Somer alternators feature cutting-edge technologies. The patented AREP excitation, auxiliary winding regulation excitation principle, for high short circuit and starting capabilities, permanent magnet inserts to ensure voltage buildup, a load acceptance module to help engines cope with load impacts. With strong research and development capabilities and expertise, Leroy-Somer designs products that can meet the requirements and certifications of all applications. Leroy-Somer industrial product range includes TAL and LSA series from 10 kilowatts to 2,000 kilowatts. Power alternators are designed to customer orders with an output of 1 to 25 megawatts, with voltage up to 15 kilowatts, compatible with all prime movers such as gas, steam, hydro, or wind turbines. Leroy-Somer alternators are widely used in residential and commercial buildings, power plants, nuclear facilities, hydropower, rail, internet data center, oil and gas, and military facilities. Its alternators are compatible with all international prime engine brands as well as Chinese domestic brands. Wind turbines and marine alternators that meet the technical standards of all classification society are also available. Leroy-Somer pays the utmost attention to the well-being of its employees, providing a healthy and safe working environment, as well as a range of activities to promote cohesion with the entire organization. Leroy-Somer supports several charitable causes in Fuzhou and the surrounding region, and has even created its own charity association, giving back to the community and striving to fulfill its responsibility towards those less fortunate. Nidec Leroy-Somer, the world-leading specialist in alternators.